The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train, and there to meet me is my mama and papa. Down the road I look, and there runs Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house is still standing, though the paint's all cracked and dry. And there's that old oak tree I used to play on. And down the lane I stroll with my girl Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to see me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. Oh, it's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Then I awake and look around me at these four gray walls that surround me, and I realize that I was only dreaming. For there's a guard and a sad old padre, arm in arm we'll walk at daybreak, when again I'll touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to see me 'neath the shade of that old oak tree, when they lay me 'neath the green, green grass of home.
It's the yellow rose of Texas I am going now to see. She loves no other darky, she loves but only me. And she cried so when I parted that it nearly broke my heart, and I promised to return again and never from her to part.
You're my fairest rose of color, which the darkness ever knew. Eyes that shine like diamonds, lips as dark and eyes as you.
I am going now to find her, and my heart is filled with joy. We will sing sweet songs together as we used of long ago, and she'll play the menu sweetly